Yep. Those buffing brushes are working.
Yay.
Because you love those buffing brushes.
Mm-hmm. They're so soft. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we go.
And I like these conveyors.
Yeah. Oh, he's getting a wiper thing.
All right. Our 6th car wash today. And we finally get a wiper thing.
Looks like this one is not running low on wipers.
Yep.
Wiper bags.
Now wait, I saw something. Look at the octopus brushes swirling. All the other ones are flat.
Yeah, but the other one had the swirly kind, I guess.
That's I saw it at the other one. See, I didn't notice that until today.
I guess they had that cloth on there. It just decided to get all swirly because it's been being used for a long time.
Well, I didn't know if it was swirling on purpose, like if it helped with the wash or something. You know, like at the car wash show, that guy had those scrubber things on his octopus brushes.
Yeah. Well, those were just videos of other people having the same thing. Oh look, your mirror.
My brushes are working.
Yeah, but look, your mirror.
Oh, again.
Yeah, I'll fix it when we get out.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to get the thing off the bag off the window.
Yeah. Buff the car. Buff the car. Why are you not moving? Oh well.
There we go. Just wait for. Let me go this way. Wait for that lady. And I'll just pull into this spot where she was.
Oh, they're using the vacuum mat thing.
Mat washer.